guys, it's me Esther Jiahui. Welcome back. Happy belated Valentine's Day guys. Today I'll be teaching you ladies how to make full use of the flowers you have received yesterday. You will need fresh flowers, microwave oven, paper, glass bowl, and all of this. First, start by folding and cutting the paper into two. Place some of the fresh flowers downwards onto the piece of paper. Next, pop it into the microwave and leave it on for 2 minutes. I've tried different timings and I feel that 2 minutes is the best to dry out the moisture in the flowers. Once the flowers are done, you can arrange them in any design you like them to be. Just go on your free will. Next, heat them through the laminator and cut them up according to the size of your phone. Next, I'm using the pen knife to cut out the camera hole and ta-da! Pop it into your phone case and you are done! If you try to recreate them, do remember to tag me on your Instagram, Facebook or Twitter account. I would love to see them. Alright, that's all for today. Do remember to subscribe to me if you want to watch more DIY videos and also hit on the bell button to join my notification squad. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye!